test, that is DART, D-A-R-T. Mission is a planetary defense driven test of technologies launched by dash. The correct answer is B, that is US. This test is launched by NASA and the world's first full-scale mission to test technology for defending Earth against potential asteroid or comet hazard, launched on a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from Space Launch Complex 4 East at Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. Which of the following banks has signed an MOU with Indian Post Payments Bank to offer banking services to over 4.7 crore customers of IPPB in semi-urban and rural areas? The correct answer is C, that is HDFC Bank. So, HDFC Bank aims to further strengthen its financial inclusion drive by leveraging the robust and extensive distribution network of IPPBs, 650 branches and over 1,36,000 banking access points across India. The ICC Men's Player of the Month for November 2021 is dash. The correct answer is D, that is David Warner. So, David Warner win the ICC Player of the Month award for November 2021. The International Cricket Council has announced the winner of the Player of the Month award for November 2021 for men and women, both cricketers. The GDP growth forecast for India 2021 by Asian Development Bank has been reduced from 10% to dash in October 2021. The correct answer is B, that is 9.7%. So, the Asian Development Bank has revised India's GDP growth forecast for 21 and 22 financial year downwards to 9.7% from 10%, and it has cited supply chain issues as the major reason for the downgrade. The goods and service tax, that is GST, collection for the month of November 2021 is dash, which was the second highest collection since GST was implemented in July 2017. The correct answer is C, that is 1.31 lakh crore. What is the rank of India in the World Giving Index 2021? The correct answer is B, that is 14th. So, India has stood among the top 20 generous countries according to the CAF World Giving Index 2021. India has bagged the 14th spot and is up from the 10-year global rank of 82. Believe is an autobiography of which of the following person? The correct answer is C, that is Suresh Raina. So, Suresh Raina takes us through the challenges he faced as a young cricketer, and he was bullied in school and cricket camps, but he always punched above his weight, overcoming every adversity life threw at him and never giving up. This is the story of the lesson he learnt and friendship he built. Dash developed AMBI TAG, which is India's first indigenous temperature data logger. The correct answer is E, that is IIT Ropar. So, in a move to make Bharat Atmanirbhar, IIT Ropar has developed a device named AMBI-TAG, and it is India's first indigenous temperature data logger for cold chain management. Which of the following state governments launched Mukhyamantri Udyami Yojana? The correct answer is C, that is Bihar. So, the Chief Minister of Bihar, Mr. Nitish Kumar, has started the scheme and portal of Mukhyamantri Udyami Yojana for helping several communities of the state in setting up industries. Itate Dwar is an e-filing portal of income tax appellate tribunal launched by dash. The correct answer is E, that is Ravi Shankar Prasad. So, Ravi Shankar Prasad, Union Minister for Law and Justice, Communication and Electronics and IT, formally launched the e-filing portal of income tax appellate tribunal Itate Dwar on 25th June 2021 in New Delhi. Which of the following banks collaborated with IIT Kanpur to set up a FinTech Innovation Center in January 2021? The correct answer is D, that is PNB. So, Punjab National Bank announced an alliance with IIT Kanpur and the Foundation for Innovation and Research in Science and Technology for establishing an innovation center at the institute's campus. DPI, that is Digital Payment Index, was launched by RBI, which has 5 broad parameters. Which of the following parameters weightage is least? The correct answer is D, that is consumer centricity. So, the parameter includes payment enablers with a weightage of 25% in the index and followed by demand side and supply side payment. Infrastructure factors with a weightage of 10% each. And there is also the payment performance with 45% of weightage and consumer centricity with 5%. So, consumer centricity is 5% only. Payment enablers is 25%. Payment infrastructure demand side factor, it is 10%. Payment performance, I already told you, that is 45%. Consumer centricity is 5%. This is also 10%. So, the least one is consumer centricity with the 5% weightage. Which of the following is or are not the main pillars of the ICICI stack for corporates launched by ICICI Bank? The correct answer is D, that is digital banking for startups. So, ICICI Bank announced the launch of ICICI Stack for corporates, a comprehensive set of digital banking solutions for corporates and their entire ecosystem, including promoters, group companies, employees, dealers, vendors and all other stakeholders. A collateral free Kavach personal loan was launched by which of the following banks? The correct answer is E, that is SBI. Jahan vote wahan vaccination campaign was launched by dash. The correct answer is B, that is Arvind Kejriwal. So, Arvind Kejriwal launched the Jahan vote wahan vaccination campaign with the aim to vaccinate all people above 45 years against COVID-19 in Delhi. Catch the Rain campaign was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It will be implemented across the country from 22nd March 2021 to dash 2021. The correct answer is C, that is 30th November. So, it will be implemented from 22nd March 2021 to 30th November 2021, the pre-monsoon and monsoon period in the country. The campaign was launched to take water conservation at the grassroots level through people's participation. India ranked 139th in World Happiness Report 2021 out of total how many countries? The correct answer is B, that is 149. To commemorate the 75 years of India's independence, a high-level national committee was set up which has how many members? The correct answer is A, that is 259. So, government has constituted a national committee headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to commemorate 75 years of Independence Day, which falls on 15th August 2022 in a befitting manner at national and international level in the form of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. And the committee has 259 members. IOC, that is Indian Oil Corporation, will build the first green hydrogen plant of the country in which of the following states? The correct answer is B, that is Uttar Pradesh. India's first monk fruit cultivation exercise was started in which of the following states? The correct answer is B, that is Himachal Pradesh. So suitable agroclimate condition for cultivation the fruit has been found in Himachal Pradesh. Professor G.W. Groff had attempted to grow monk fruit during the 20th century but was unsuccessful as flowers did not grow. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.